Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Litecoin is a Layer 2 proof-of-work cryptocurrency that was designed to act as a fast, secure, and low-cost payment mechanism. The token symbol is LTC and can be traded on most crypto exchanges. It was founded by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee, who envisioned a lighter version of Bitcoin. The Litecoin network went live in October 2011 and has grown by usage among more than 2,000 merchants. It is a top 15 cryptocurrency by market cap with a total maximum supply of 84 million tokens. Litecoin uses the proof-of-work consensus algorithm to ensure transactions are confirmed quickly without errors. The combined strength of the mining network prevents double spends and a range of other attacks, while ensuring the network has 100% uptime. The block time is quick at 2.5 minutes, and it offers extremely low transaction fees, making it suitable for microtransactions and point-of-sale payments for emerging markets. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.